Ever wanted to get stronger without stepping foot in a gym? No dumbbells, no machines, just you, your body, and a little space at home. Welcome to Calisthenics, the perfect starting point for beginners ready to build real strength. Calisthenics is bodyweight training at its finest. Think push-ups, squats, planks, and pull-ups. Simple movements that grow with you as you get stronger. The beauty of it? It's completely free. No gym membership, no expensive equipment. All you need is consistency. Before you dive into your first workout, let's talk about mindset. Form over speed. Perfect your technique before adding more reps. Start small, progress slowly. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is strength. Consistency beats intensity. Even 10 minutes daily adds up to massive results over weeks and months. Here's a simple workout you can start today. Push-ups, 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps. Target your chest, shoulders, and arms. If standard push-ups are too challenging, drop to your knees. There's no shame in modifying. Bodyweight squats, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Builds powerful legs and glutes. Keep your chest up and core engaged throughout the movement. Plank hold, 3 rounds of 20 to 40 seconds. The ultimate core strengthener. Focus on maintaining a straight line from head to heels, no sagging or hiking your hips. Glute bridges, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Excellent for your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. Squeeze at the top of each rep. Negative pull-ups, 3 to 5 reps if you have access to a bar. Jump up to the top position, then lower yourself down as slowly as possible. This builds the strength you need for full pull-ups. Don't sabotage your progress by rushing through reps. Quality always trumps quantity. Don't skip warm-ups. Your body needs to be prepared. And don't compare yourself to Instagram athletes doing advanced moves. Everyone started as a beginner. Progress takes time, and that's perfectly okay. That's your starter pack for home calisthenics. Commit to this routine 3 times per week and watch your strength transform. Before you know it, movements that felt impossible will become effortless. So here's my question for you. Which exercise are you starting with today? Push-ups or squats? Drop your answer in the comments and let's build this strength journey together.